Now let us understand HTTP. HTTP stands for Hypertext Transfer Protocol. In simple words, it is the communication language between your browser and a website. Whenever you open a website, your browser sends a request to the server, like asking, "Hey, can you send me this web page?" The server responds by sending the data back. This process happens in milliseconds, and it's all done using HTTP. But here is the problem. HTTP is not secure. All the data sent using HTTP travels in plain text. That means anyone monitoring the network, for example, a hacker connected to the same public Wi-Fi, can easily read everything. This includes usernames, passwords, messages, personal data. It's exactly like sending a postcard. Anyone who sees it can read the content. So HTTP is fast and simple, but completely unsafe for sensitive data. To solve this problem, we use HTTPS. HTTPS stands for Hypertext Transfer Protocol Secure. The extra S means secure. HTTPS works exactly like HTTP, but with one powerful difference. Encryption. Encryption converts your data into a secret coded format before sending it over the internet. So even if someone intercepts the data, they will only see random unreadable characters, not your actual information. Let's use a simple analogy. HTTP like sending a postcard, anyone can read it. HTTPS like sending a sealed and locked envelope, only the receiver can open it. There's more. HTTPS doesn't just provide confidentiality, it also ensures authentication, means the website proves it is the real website. Data integrity, means the data is not changed during transfer. You can identify HTTPS easily. Look at your browser's address bar. Padlock icon equals secure connection. Not secure warning equals website is not secure. Always check this before entering passwords or personal data. Now you might be thinking, how does HTTPS actually protect our data? It uses two important security protocols. SSL, Secure Sockets Layer. TLS, Transport Layer Security. These protocols define how encryption works. When you open an HTTPS website, something called a handshake happens between your browser and the server. Think of it like this. Two people meet and agree on a secret code language before starting a conversation. During this handshake, 1. The browser verifies the website's identity via certificate. 2. They agree on encryption methods. 3. A secure session key is created. After that, all communication becomes fully encrypted and secure. Even if someone captures the data packets, they cannot understand anything without the secret key. This is what keeps your online banking, logins, and private data safe. Let's quickly compare HTTP and HTTPS side by side. HTTP is not secure, while HTTPS is secure. HTTP sends data in plain text, but HTTPS encrypts the data before sending it. HTTP is more vulnerable to attackers, while HTTPS helps protect sensitive information. HTTP usually uses port 80, while HTTPS uses port 443. HTTP websites do not show a padlock icon, but HTTPS websites show a padlock icon in the browser.